Hi everybody and welcome to 4Zs. I'm going to try to make this demonstration short because there's not a lot of work that you need to do. But I'm going to give you a demonstration of 4Zs and exactly how it works. So this is a ClickBank Amazon affiliate website builder in one. You basically just come here, you choose your niche. I'll go wealth. I'll go with what's available. I'll go with wealth DNA. You can decide to add your lead capture page if you'd like or leave it off. I'll go ahead and add it in. All of this stuff is done for you in the background. I'll go ahead and click generate now. So the review content is generated. Your ClickBank affiliate links are embedded. The schema markup is done. Open graph. Twitter cards are absolutely done. The canonical URL is set. The sitemap XML is completely done with robot text. Your FTC affiliate disclosure is included. The sitemap is submitted to Google Search Console, Bing, Yandex, and Navier and Index Now. Your 20 backlinks are automatically started upon the completion of the website being built. It's 100% mobile responsive, and when I say these websites are 100% SEO optimized, they are SEO optimized to the max. It doesn't get any higher. Everything is completely done for you, and it saves you a lot of time and trouble. So that's about how long it took to build that website. It's called True Insights. And all this changes depending on, who's using the software. It changes immediately. You can share your website here. Your affiliate link is embedded right here, right here. Goes down the page. Completely SEO optimized. H tags, all that's done for you. Another share option. We embedded our opt-in page here, opt-in box here, so that's on there. So these leads will be under your leads. Another link here, and as you go down the page, you see your Amazon links down here, which they're tied to, Wealth DNA, so that's why they'll be down here. All your pages are completely done right here. So that's basically how it builds out your websites. Quick. We have pretty much all the main products from ClickBank in here. You just go to them and you pick it from here. Okay, if you don't want to build one website out at a time, you can come here and click the bulk option. With the bulk option, you have the option to just go with random products from ClickBank, or you can come here and select specific ones from each niche. You just go through and select, and there you're off. Okay, you can add lead generation to the bulk generation. So I'll go bulk, and I'll just go random products. You can choose between ChatGPT and Claude. All of this stuff down here is completely done for you, so I'll go ahead and click generate. That's basically going to go through, and just like it did with the last single website, it's going to go and do all the same indexing for the 10 websites that it's going to build around every single niche. It takes about 15 minutes for 10 websites to be done, but they are all completely 100% SEO optimized, backlinked, and all of the work is completely done for you. Once the websites are done, you have the option to go to My Sites, and you could just download them. As you can see, there is a lot of content on those pages. So I'll let you take a look at this here when it's finished. So here's what the website looks like. You can share it. All your affiliate links are embedded here. Your disclosures are in here. You can scroll down the page. It has images of everything that you might want. Your opt-in page is right here because we did click on it to have it embedded. And as you can see, your affiliate links are down here for your Amazon products as well. All your legal pages are down here already inserted for you, so there is no need to do any of that. Okay, so that's just going to go through. There's a cooldown time of about 30 seconds between every website generation, but as you can see, it's working on wealth manifestation right now, validating URL. So it's just going to go through and it's going to build out 10. I'm going to pause this until these are completely done so I can let you see what they look like. While that's generating, I just wanted to point out the websites that are generated with the Amazon links at the bottom. These here change depending on what's the best sellers in Amazon right now. So this here can be anything on any different day, but it's not specific, so it just brings them to the Search Console of Amazon with your affiliate link. So you have a bigger option and chances of someone buying going through these links than just going for a specific single link. So just want to note that these are all the best sellers that are going to get linked down here. Okay, as you can see, all 10 of the websites were generated. I'll quickly go through these and let you see them. They all come out fantastic. All different themes. And as you can see, the website comes out fantastic. And of course, your Amazon affiliate links are here down bottom. Everything is done for you. There's nothing to look for, nothing to do. It's already been submitted to Google. Your sitemap has already been done. Nothing more for you to do. You can also go and select them individually. So those are the main features of 4Zs. I hope you liked the video. Hope to see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. Before I close out, I also wanted to mention that you do have the option for white label rights, in which you can connect your own domain, test your connection, and you can publish your websites directly to your own domain. If you want a custom offer, you have a custom offer here as well. That's all included in the software as well. I just wanted to mention that before we closed it out. Thanks.